Hello, my name is Amina. I work as the Women's Digital Rights and Safety Officer at TechHer. And today's event was really nice. It was super insightful, particularly because we had law enforcement officers and prosecutors come together to talk about ways we can protect, digital rights and digital safety and, everything that has to do with, technology. I was particularly happy because this was, a great opportunity to talk about the kind of violence women experience online and how, law enforcement officers, agencies, and prosecutors can essentially help to ensure that digital spaces are more sanitized and are safer for women. So what are the laws that we have? It was interesting to know that we can leverage our expertise to civil society, law enforcement, to essentially have like a holistic approach to protecting particularly women's digital rights online and, combating violence that we face online by ensuring that perpetrators don't go scot-free and using our existing laws that we have to punish offenders of these crimes and making them know that our digital space, is safer than ever.